everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irma, also known as Irma JJ, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get ready every single day. This is mainly for when I go to work, but it works also when you're going to go out to run errands or you're going to meet up with your friends for a coffee date, a nice little lunch date. If you're not feeling any makeup, like heavy dramatic makeup, this is definitely for you. Also, I will be reviewing the Makiage foundation, so if you're interested in finding out if this is a good foundation or not, or if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with moisturizer. I'm going to be doing the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. What it looks like. It's kind of like a jelly form, which I really like that. It definitely hydrates my face. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Badescu facial spray. This is in the cucumber and green tea. This is just going to super hydrate my face even more, especially during this time of the year. My face tends to get very dry, and then which makes my foundation look oily, if that makes any sense. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer. That is the Too Faced Hangover primer, and I like to focus it more on my nose area, my T-zone, my chin. Then the excess that I have, that's what I bring down here. Okay, this is my one of my routines that I've been really enjoying. I'm going to be going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Light 14. So this, I go under my eyes just because I know it's going to brighten them up a little bit. I also like to highlight my nose, my T-zone area, down here my chin, basically wherever I'm going to put in my actual concealer. We're going to go in here in the nose area. Then using my blending sponge, this one is from Radiant Beauty, definitely promo. We're just gonna go in and blend that out. Definitely does not have to be perfect. We're still gonna go in. This is just to kind of color correct without taking too much time. Okay, so next is foundation. I'm going to be using my Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in the shade 30. I literally love it. So this is also going to be kind of like a little review on it. I love how lightweight it is, and a little goes a long way. So you can see, like, it is definitely, I would say, light to medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, because you can still see some redness when I wear this foundation, but it definitely covers enough, way more than a BB cream would, which I really like that. I love that with this foundation, like, it doesn't even feel like you have anything on, so you can literally do your daily activities like nothing. Like I said, I'm always running around at work and doing things and seeing patients and stuff, so this is definitely a really good foundation. It lasts all day. It does crease a little bit, I am gonna say that, but I think it just depends on like your face. I would say like your skin type, and my skin, my skin's a mess, but you know what, I love this foundation. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I'm adding a little drop to the back of my hand, warming that up. Then going in with my sponge, and like right here I have a lot of redness, and so I'm just gonna go in. that's another thing, side note really quick before I forget, it's very buildable, which is a good thing for foundation to be buildable. It does not get patchy, it doesn't look cakey, it's really, really smooth, and your face looks flawless. So next I'm gonna put on some concealer. You already know what concealer I'm using. Oh shit. I already know what concealer I'm using. Yeah, so I wish this video was sponsored by a Makiage, but it's not. It just sounds like it is because like I actually really like it. So notice how I am blending out my concealer, and then with the excess I'm just throwing that on my lid. I'm not going to be adding any additional concealer just because, like I said, this is for work or like my everyday, and I don't always like wear additional concealer. I don't always do my eyeshadow every day, so we're not going to be doing that today. Okay. Next, I'm going to be baking or setting my face with my Airspun, my Coty Airspun translucent powder. Ooh. Ah! Literally, always spill everything. This powder is perfect for like an everyday thing. It's a really good powder. The only thing is the fragrance. I just can't. It's super loose powder, so. You see what I mean? I'm for sure focusing on the setting of my face because this is gonna make your makeup last all day, especially if you're somebody who runs around and basically actually works. This is for you. All right, next I'm just gonna throw on some bronzer. I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Primer Infused Bronzer and Forever Sunkissed. We're just gonna bronze up the face. I'm really not gonna use that much just because I usually don't have time in the mornings. I always say I'm not gonna use a lot of bronzer, but I fucking love bronzer. Bronzer and highlight. Oh my god. My favorites. La papada, so you can look hella slim. Don't forget the jawline. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get this powder brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I'm gonna just tap in the powder. This is just a step I like to do to make sure that that shit is like setting my face. Now with the eyes, be very gentle, but make sure you get like the corner of the eyes. Now with the fluffier brush, you can use any really. I like to use this one from e.l.f. It's a pointed powder brush. You're just gonna remove it. We're gonna get the nose. We're not contouring today, or focusing on contour. I squeeze the brush with my fingers, but I like to make sure that there's no curve, because sometimes when you squeeze it, like there's like a curve. I make sure that it looks pretty straight, or else your nose is gonna look crooked. Just go like that, both sides, just so it can look a little slimmer. they just buff that out. And then my favorite part is I close my eyes and I just put bronzer on all over my lid. I just dust it on. It's gonna give it a nice look. Who cares if you go down here like that? That's fine. Next, I'm gonna put on some blush. Elf, you already know. Smile a little bit. It'll look better once. I feel like I always say that, but I'm so serious. Okay, next I'm gonna throw on some highlight. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Master Bronze Studio thing. It's a highlight and bronzing kit. As you can tell, I really like it. I'm using this shade right here. It doesn't have a name, but I got it at Marshall's for $2.99, and it's literally become my favorite highlight. As you can tell, I've hit pan. Just using my fan brush from Morphe, and like, just look at that for $2.99. Like, okay. A lot of fallout though. If you look like a disco ball, then you're doing it right. Then with my pinky, I'm just gonna go in my inner corner. I love using my pinky, my fingers for my makeup. Especially for like highlighting, for extra highlighting some areas. Then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna go like that. Yeah, don't mind my eyebrows, guys. They look like real life caterpillars right now. They're so fucking like bad. But I can't find my little scissors that I use for my eyebrows. I don't know where the hell they went. This is in the shade Taupe, by the way. I don't do it perfect. I just make sure to fill in some of the spars that I have. Definitely not. I don't do it perfect though, because I'm usually in a hurry, so I don't have time to sit there and like highlight it and all that bullshit. Next, I'm just going to use some eyebrow gel for my eyebrows, using my Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just para que se queden en lugar all day. And no matter what I do, I don't know. I'm going to use my Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. I love this mascara. This one is in the shade Blackest Black. I literally love how it leaves my eyelashes. Just a couple swipes and they're like bam. But I'm gonna just... So I'm gonna be using my Winky Lux Lip Velour lipstick in the color Pippi. So cute, I love it. The packaging is so pretty, so flowery and whatnot, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a little bullet. It's so cute. I already tried it on my lips before, so it is such a pretty color. I love it. And it's demi matte, so it'll it'll moisturize your lips and also like stay on basically all day. So I didn't add any lashes just because I don't wear lashes every day. I mean, right now that I'm in quarantine, every time I do my makeup, I do wear lashes. But I wanted to keep this, I wanted to keep this as close to how I do it every single day as possible. And yeah, so this is my final look. Oh wait, just kidding. Not my final look. I need some setting spray. So I usually use either my Morphe setting spray or this Beauty Bakery setting spray, which this one lasts basically all day. This one will last you like a good 8 hours. So I use this one. Then I grab my blender and I just tap it in. Then if you feel like you don't have enough highlight, like I always feel, I don't know why. Right now, since it's wet, you can just add a little bit. I wouldn't add too much, but who knows, I normally end up adding hella. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos twice a week, so make sure you turn on that bell notification if you want to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.